I believe I can fly, and I believe I can touch the sky.
Today, we want to make a flying game. I'll delete this cat since it's not flying. I'll find something flying. Oh, we have birds. And I want to have this cat. It's flying. Okay. The cat is flying across the city, so we will need some building and some tree and some cloud. Let's arrange it. Put the building on the ground. The tree is big. Let's make it smaller. Put it on the ground. Cloud is fine. And I want to have an ice cream truck. We have an ice cream truck. Oh, this is a huge truck. Let's make it smaller. Okay, I want the ice cream truck to be near the building. Later, I want the cat to fly from left to right, which means the building, the tree, and the truck should go from right to left. So we need to change the direction of the truck. So click on the truck, click direction. If we just do it this way, you can see the truck goes upside down. Okay. We need to click this button here. If you click here, it means the truck will only change left, right. Okay, so click here. Let's make it -90. Okay, so we have a truck, building, tree, cloud, and the cat. Let's have a blue sky. I want this blue sky. Okay. Okay, now let's start the coding. For the cat, if we come to costume, you can see there are two different costumes. So come back to code, events. When green flag clicked, I want the cat to change costume so it looks like the cat is flying. And we have to do this forever. So let's go back to looks, switch costume to cat flying B. And remember, when we switch costume, we need to wait for a certain second, otherwise we can't see the change of the costume. So go back to control. Let's wait for 2 seconds. Then go to looks and switch costume back to A. And go to control, wait for another 2 seconds. Now let's try. Okay, we can see the cat is changing costume. Okay, so this works fine. We go back to events. When green flag clicked, I want the cat to say something. It will say, I believe I can fly. And we want to play the sun, I believe I can fly. So when green flag clicked, oops, let's make it bigger. So when green flag clicked, I want the cat to start with certain location. Okay, I'll just change it to 95. Maybe I'll start from -50 from here. Okay, so we'll start from -50. This is 95, and we go to looks. I want the cat to say, I believe I can fly, for 2 seconds. After that, we want to play the sun. And I want to continue playing the sun. Now I have a short version of the sun, so go to sounds, and we will upload. The original sound, we don't need it anymore, so we'll delete.
I believe I can fly.
Okay, so this sound works perfectly for our game. Now let's go back to code. Inside this forever loop, we'll go to sound, play this sound. And every time we want to play this sound until it's finished, then we'll play the sound again. Okay, so that's the cat. Now go to the building. I want the building to move from right to left. Okay, so the cat is not moving. The cat is not moving, but the building, the truck, the tree, the clouds are moving from right to left. So it looks like the cat is moving. So let's go to building. And we will look at events when green flag clicked. Initially, we don't want to see the building, so we want to hide the building and wait for 1 second. Then I want the building to be at certain locations. Okay, so you can see here, I want the building to start from the right of the screen. So if you make the building here is 204, so I'll just make it even further. Okay, so let's go to motion, go to, I will make it 250. So it's outside our screen, then it will come into the screen. Y is, let's make it lower. Okay, Y is 0. Okay, then we're going to show the building. Show. And the building needs to continue to move to the left. Then it will appear from the right again and move to the left. So we need a loop. Forever loop. Okay, so every time we will set the X to 250, so it's on the right edge, beyond the right edge of the screen, and I want it move to the left. So we'll go to Control, repeat. Let's see, repeat 55 times. And every time I want to change X by -10. So it will move to the left by 10 every time. And after 55 times, it will go to the right to appear from the right again. Okay, so that's the building. Now go to tree. Tree will be similar. So go to events. When green flag clicked. Similarly, we want to hide the tree. And we want to let the tree start from a certain location. Okay, you can see the tree. Y value is -139, so let's just make it 140. It's easier. And X, we also want the tree to start from the right of the screen. So we go to motion, go to X, we will also set it to 250. Y is already -104. After that, we will show the tree, and the tree will also continuously move from right to left. So we will go to Control, Forever, and we go to motion. Before we start, every time we want to set the tree, the X position to be 250. So every time the tree will start from X position 250, then it will move from left. So the tree needs to move at the same speed as the building. So similarly, we will go to Control, repeat, also 55 times. And every time, we also change X by -10. Okay, so they all move at the same speed. Next, let's go to cloud. Go to events when green flag clicked. Similarly, hide first. And I want the cloud to wait for a little while before it appears. So go to Control. I want to wait it for 0.5 seconds so that the tree, the building, the cloud, they don't appear at the same location at the same time. It will wait for 0.5 seconds. And let's see. I want the cloud to start from 130. So we will go to motion, go to 130, X we want to start from 250. Then we're going to show the cloud. Okay. And we will have the same forever loop. So you can either drag the code here, or you can just go to tree and find this forever loop, this loop. Command C or Control C to copy it. Okay, then go to the cloud, Command V or Control V to paste it here. So you don't have to drag the blocks one by one. Now remember to go back to trees and put it back. Now let's go to the food truck. We go to Events, when green flag clicked, hide first. And this time, I want to wait for maybe 1.3 seconds. Then where do we want this track to be? Okay, so Y is minus 142. Let's change it to 140. 140 looks weird. So 145. Okay, minus 145. Okay, so we'll go to motion. Let it go to. Similarly, X is 250 beyond the right edge of the screen. Y is minus 145. Then we will show the ice cream truck. Okay. And we have the same forever loop. So come here, click this block. If you are using Mac, do Command C. If you are using Windows, press Control C. You copy this block, go to track, Command V for Mac, or Control V for Windows. That's to paste. So put it here. Now remember to go back to clouds and put it back. Okay, now let's try. We'll stop the code.
I believe I can fly, and I believe I can touch the sky.
So that's the cat flying in the sky. Have fun! Subscribe to our channel to watch more tutorials. See you next time!